Once I've installed the Webroot integration for the Kaseya Cloud VSA, I'm going to go over to Webroot Settings. From Webroot Settings, I'm going to match up any organization or group that I have in the VSA to its corresponding site in the Webroot console. So to match those up, I'm going to need the Webroot key code for that site. We'll pick Advanced, and from here, I'm going to go over to my Webroot console, and then click on that key, copy the key code, bring it on over, and at this point in time I can submit, or I can choose to enable the auto install feature. I can enable this at any point in time, but I'm going to turn it on now and submit. And from here, any new agent for Kaseya that is installed for the organization Advance will automatically get Webroot as well. The other option we have here on this settings section is going to be the adoption wand. And this is for the scenario of Advance already had Webroot installed on all those machines and the integration was installed after the fact. So with pressing the magic wand, I'll go ahead and adopt any previously installed Webroot information and populate the deployment and status dashboard with that.